Struggling to delete the EFI System Partition on Windows 11? Learn how to remove it safely using simple steps. Let's get started. Search for CMD in the search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Next, enter Disk Management Commands type diskpart and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter. This will show all your available disks. Identify the problematic disk number, then type SLDisk2 and press Enter. Replace 2 inches with the number of your problematic disk. Type list partition and press Enter to see the partitions on the selected disk. Identify the problematic partition, then type Select Partition 1 and press Enter. Replace 1 inch with the number of your problematic partition. Type Delete Partition Override and press Enter to delete the problematic partition. Finally, exit the tooltype exit and press Enter. Again, type exit and press Enter to close command prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.